If you want to make your morning more pleasant by changing the alarm sound to only something, follow the simple steps. So to do that, first of all, we have to locate our clock icon. Locate it. After that, we can either change the sound of already existing alarms, or we can press a plus and create a totally new one. The process is gonna be pretty much the same. So to change the sound, make sure that your alarm is enabled. Now tap on it. Here you'll see your alarm sound option. Tap on it. So here we can choose from a ringtone. So it means we can choose a file which already downloaded on our phone or was preset by the system. We can add up some of our favorite songs from Spotify, or we can enable Bixby alarm. So let's choose a ringtone. Now to add up your custom alarm, press this plus icon at the top right corner and find a track which you want to use. Now press done, and now it's added. Make sure that this variant is chosen. Here you can see a sound slider. If you want your alarm to be less loud, right, swipe it to the left. If you want to make it louder, swipe it to the right. Also, you can enable a gradually increase volume option, so simply tap on it. You can enable a read time and alarm name loud as well. Enable it if you want to have a right. So here you can press settings, you can choose the language which it's gonna be using, and so on and so forth. Also, you can enable your vibration and your vibration pattern if you will tap here. And basically that's it. Once you are satisfied with your changes, simply press save and they are applied. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.